In this Mohenjo-daro, one important aspect is within the middle of the city. Here we have a great bath. Here we have great bath. This great bath is around 8 feet depth. 8 feet depth, 23 feet width, and 39 feet length. 39 feet length. Yeah, I'm going to show you. Yeah, look at this. Okay, so what you can observe? What kind of structure it is? What was the material they have used? Yeah, bricks. Here they used burnt bricks, my dear. They used burnt bricks. That's why they survived 3000 BC too so far. Around 5000 years they were survived. So they used the burnt bricks. Point number 1. And one more interesting fact is, where is the northernmost boundary of IVC? Northernmost boundary of IVC, Kashmir, Manda. Kashmir, Manda. You can take a brick from the Mohenjo-daro, okay, and compare with the brick in Manda. Both are exactly in the dimensions, 4:2:1. Or else, the easternmost boundary is Alamgirpur. Take one brick from the Mohenjo-daro and compare it with the easternmost boundary of Alamgirpur, exactly same. The north to south distance is 1400 kilometers. East to west distance is 1600 kilometers. In this entire sphere, wherever you go and pick up a brick, exactly in all the places, the bricks are same dimensions. What a kind of homogeneity they maintain. It's unparalleled. Let's say, for example, take our India. So from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, right now we are under the same political authority. But the bricks dimensions may be different. If you go to Bengal, their bricks are altogether different. And you can compare the bricks in our Tamil Nadu, bricks are different. Look at our Chennai. And Chennai's planning is different. Mumbai planning is different. Of course, Hyderabad has no planning at all. Are you getting my point or not? But I said, we are in the same political authority. We are in the same political authority, but we are not able to create the same kind of or homogeneous towns, or homogeneous bricks, or homogeneous products. But whereas those people have maintained striking homogeneity. The same kind of bricks, same kind of seals, same technology. Of course, in India also we have some similarities. Same GST, same income tax across the India, except these are certain similarities. So wherever you go, everything will be different, my dear. And look at this. So here we have the great bath. So in this great bath, in the two sides we have the flight of steps. The people use it to drown into this tank. For what purpose this great bath was used? Archaeologists are estimating that probably it was used for the ritual bath, or else for the purification purpose they may use it. In our Christianity, before you are going to get the baptism, you have to dip in the water. Probably for that ritual purpose this tank was used. Or else go to our Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam, TTD. Okay, in Tirupati we have that Pushkarani. So more or less like the Pushkarani structure. For what purpose they have used, I can't say. It can be used to provide drinking water facilities. It can be used for the ritual purpose. Okay, or else it can be used for any sacred ceremonies. We can't say, but the structure is present. Just in and around the structure, there are some rooms there are small rooms. There are some small rooms. Probably it might be used to change the clothes. Even in our temples, in our pilgrimage centers also, we have the river or else the tank. Near to that we have some rooms. Rooms were built just to change the clothes. For that purpose, they might use it. That is one of the interesting aspect in the Mohenjo-daro. Okay, write down. In the middle of the city, in the middle of the city, great bath was built. Great bath was built within the bracket 39 feet into 23 feet into 8 feet. 39 into 23 into 8 feet. So these are the dimensions. Okay.